Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I want to discuss something that is deeply relevant, not just as a medical professional, but as someone who genuinely cares about every patient watching this. The topic today is how does war happening thousands of kilometers away actually affect the cancer treatment of a patient sitting right here in India. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly what is happening, why it is happening, what India is doing about it, and most importantly, what you as a patient need to know. Let us understand the basics. Cancer treatment is not a single thing. It is a system, a carefully coordinated system involving surgery, radiation, chemotherapy, targeted therapy, immunotherapy, and the equipment, medicine, and expertise required to deliver all. When wars happen, they disrupt global systems. Let me give you a specific example. Radiotherapy machines. The equipment we use to deliver radiation to cancer patients are largely manufactured in Europe and the United States. When global conflict disrupts shipping routes, manufacturing supply chains, or international trade agreements, the delivery, maintenance, and replacement of these equipments gets delayed. Similarly, certain targeted cancer therapies, the newer precision medicines designed for specific mutations like HER2 positive breast cancer or EGFR mutant lung cancer are manufactured by a small number of pharmaceutical companies globally. Any disruption to their supply affects availability here. This is not a hypothetical. We saw this during COVID. We are seeing early signs of it now. But, and this is equally important, understanding the impact is the first step to managing it. And India is managing it. Now, let us look at what India has built, because this is where I want every patient to feel genuinely reassured. Point number one, surgical oncology. India today performs over 1.1 million cancer surgeries every year. Our surgical oncologists are trained in the world's finest institutions, South Korea, United States, Europe. The expertise is right here. Point number two, robotic and minimally invasive surgery. Robotic surgery, which I personally trained at Yonsei University in Seoul, is now available at leading hospitals across Mumbai. Smaller incisions, less pain, faster recovery. This does not depend on imports. This is skill, and skill cannot be disrupted by war. Point number three, indigenous cancer therapies. India launched NextCar 19, its own homegrown CAR-T cell therapy developed at Tata Memorial Center right here in Mumbai. A treatment that costs crores abroad is now accessible to Indian patients, built by Indian scientists for Indian patients. Point number four, AI diagnostics. Researchers at IIT Kharagpur have developed handheld AI devices that detect cancer from breath alone. No blood test, no expensive scan. Made in India for India. Each of these, surgical expertise, robotic capability, indigenous therapy, AI diagnostics, these are not dependent on global supply chains. They are built here, they stay here. Now, let us look at where India is heading, because the direction matters as much as the current position. India's government has made healthcare self-sufficiency a national priority. The production-linked incentive scheme, the PLI scheme, is actively encouraging Indian manufacturers to build the drugs, devices, and diagnostic tools that we currently import. 35 critical medicines previously imported are now being manufactured on Indian soil. This number will grow. Medical device manufacturing in India grew by over 300% in the last 5 years. CT scanners, MRI machines, radiation equipment increasingly being assembled and maintained domestically. And most excitingly, India's biotechnology sector is now developing its own targeted cancer therapies. Biosimilars of global blockbuster cancer drugs manufactured here, making precision oncology accessible to every Indian patient regardless of their economic background. The vision is clear. A cancer patient in India should have access to the same quality of treatment as a patient in New York or London. We are not there yet, but we are moving with enormous speed and purpose. Now, let me speak to you directly as a patient. Everything I have shared in this video has one purpose: to give you knowledge, because knowledge removes fear. And fear in cancer care is our biggest enemy. There are 4 things I want every patient to understand and remember. Number 1, your treatment will not stop. India's cancer care infrastructure is strong, growing, and increasingly self-sufficient. Your surgery, your radiation, your chemotherapy, these will continue. This is my commitment to you as your doctor. Number 2, communication is everything. If you ever feel uncertain about your medicines, your treatment plan, your next steps, come and talk to me. Do not rely on social media. Come to your doctor. Number 3, India is on your side. Every government scheme, every indigenous drug, every homegrown innovation is built for you, the Indian patient. Use these resources. Learn about them. Number 4, early detection is your greatest protection. No matter what happens in the world, the single most powerful thing you can do for your cancer outcome is catch it early. Stage 1 survival rates are up to 95%. Come for your screening. Come for your checkups. Do not wait. So, to summarize what we covered today, wars affect global treatment supply chain, but India's surgical expertise, robotic surgery, indigenous therapies, and AI diagnostics are built here and cannot be disrupted. India is actively building self-sufficiency. 35 medicines now made in India. Medical device manufacturing growing rapidly. As your doctor, my promise to you is simple. Whatever the world does, your treatment continues. Your health comes first, always.